Pioneers. Pi's network second migration is going on right now, and this is a mass migration. This is a big update from the Pi network. So the second migration started on the 25th of July 2025. The ending date is not known yet. Pi network second mainnet migration. What every pioneer should know and how to migrate. What is the second mainnet migration? The second mainnet migration for Pi network marks a pivotal stage in the project's transition from its initial test environment to a full open blockchain ecosystem. While the first migration focused on moving base mining rewards, including verified mining, security circle, lockup, utility app, and node rewards. For KYC verified users, the second migration is crucial for including referral mining bonuses, rewards for those whose referral teams have since passed KYC or had pending confirmations during the first phase. This ongoing process signals greater readiness for global adoption and further decentralizes the Pi network and the Pi platform, with millions of wallets set to be upgraded. Why is the migration important? The migration unlocks all end rewards. The second migration ensures that pioneers receive not only the rewards from their personal mining but also bonuses tied to their successful referral teams. It also increases network security and decentralization. Comprehensive migration with in-depth checks and KYC helps prevent bots and maintains fairness for genuine users, supporting a healthy, trusted blockchain. Access to more Pi features. After migration, Pi tokens become fully usable in the mainnet ecosystem for payments, dApps, and future platform upgrades. Now, here is a step-by-step on how to migrate your Pi tokens in the second migration. Number 1, update and prepare. Ensure you have the latest Pi network app and Pi browser app, if instructed, installed on your phone. Log in and check your mainnet migration status via the mainnet checklist in your app. Number 2, complete KYC, that is, know your customer. If not already done, complete the KYC verification. This is mandatory for migration. Have your valid ID document ready and follow the app's instructions. Number 3 is to verify or set trusted email and account info. Update your trusted email in the app, as email-based two-factor authentication is now required for wallet confirmation and account recovery. Allow camera access on your device. This will be needed for the mandatory liveness check, a short facial verification in good light. Number 4, you need to pass the liveness check. Follow in-app prompts to perform the live check. Hold your phone steady, ensure your face is visible, and follow the steps for visual verifications. Then you need to wait for queue processing. After completing the above, you will enter the migration queue. The Pi core team is processing millions of accounts, so you have to be patient. Your balance, including referral bonuses if eligible, will be transferred automatically to your mainnet wallet in waves. No manual intervention is required, except ensuring all steps above are completed. Number 6 in this step is pending period. After migration, there is a 14-day pending period where your Pi is secure but not yet fully usable. Afterward, your unlocked portfolio or your unlocked portion becomes available, and locked portions unlock according to your chosen lock duration. Number 17 you need to do is to monitor the progress. Watch for official updates in the app, on the Pi network blog or community channel to know when your migration is complete and what's coming next. Here are some tips for a smooth migration. Don't delay. Complete KYC and the new migration checklist steps as soon as possible. Those who delay risk missing out on bonuses or could struggle with the future wallet recovery. The next tip is that you have to double check for information. Mistakes in the trusted email or poor liveness check submissions can prevent successful migration and even lock you out of your Pi wallet. Then you have to be patient. With tens of millions of pioneers, migrations are happening in batches. It may take days or weeks for your transfer to finalize, even after all steps are completed. Then you have to stay secure. Use strong, unique credentials and never share your wallet keys, PIN, or security info. What then is next after the second migration? There will be periodic migrations. After this second major phase, Pi will move to regular periodic migrations, that is monthly or quarterly, for further bonuses or late verified accounts. More ecosystem utility will also be involved. With most Pi transferred and referral bonuses unlocked, the doors open for more app development, DEX launches, payments, and marketplace transactions. Now, how do you understand your balance? The transferable balance you see in app may look slightly lower than your eventual migrated balance, as on-chain calculations are more precise and can add more to your wallet after verification. Only balances shown as mainnet are spendable on-chain. The pending bonuses migrate in later phases or after your referrals complete KYC. In summary, the Pi network second mainnet migration is your chance to unlock the full value of your mined and referral Pi coins. Act now by verifying your account, updating your trusted contact email, passing KYC, and completing all in-app steps. Be patient with the migration queue. Pay attention to official communications and get ready to participate fully in the evolving Pi blockchain economy. Are you ready for migration? Open your Pi app and complete your checklist today. Secure your Pi before the next migration window closes. So the migration window for Pi network is open now. So secure your Pi before this window closes. I will talk to you in the next one. My name is Dr. Olubinkade. On this channel, I bring you information on how to make money online and offline. And this is one of the ways to make money online by mining Pi. I will leave the link to how you can join the mining of Pi in the description section if you're here to start, so that you can start in earnest. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next